Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So we are opening up Heaven Panty today. This is a panty subscription. You can get this monthly or bi-monthly, so every other month. You can also choose how many panties you get a month, either 1 or 2, so it's either $9.99 or $16.99. I believe I have one here. This is kindly sent to me free for review. Not sponsored, no affiliate links. I'm just gonna put their website down below if you're interested in subscribing. They have something that they let you try your first month free. I don't believe you need a code or anything like that, so just use the link below if you're interested. And they have you fill out a little profile when you subscribe, let them know what type of panties you like, what colors, patterns, or no patterns, what your sizing is at other retailers, so they make sure it fits you best. In your first month, you even get like measuring tape to make sure, and they do have an exchange policy if you're not satisfied. They have a referral program, loyalty program is super great, so a lot of ways to like get points to spend in their shop. So they do also have a shop, it's not just a subscription. And yeah, it's like super like sexy and comfy panties, so it's totally up my alley. I like that kind of style. And I think that's it. Let's get it open. Isn't the bag so cute? Kind of goes with my colors today. I just got this Pasadena Ofra liquid lipstick in Ipsy the other day, and I'm like, this matches perfectly. And I'm digging it. I feel like it kind of goes with it. Anyways, happy Friday, you guys. Let's see. My cat's just staring at me right now. So, ooh, I'm excited. Because you can see a little sneak peek. I love the bag they give, because then you can just see right there like what the colors are. And the bag is so cute too, right? So it's a thong, and it's in their comfy and seamless category, and it's leopard print. I'm so excited. Let's get this open and take a look. This is different. I've been getting a lot of solid colors lately, which, by the way, I have a playlist for all of the subscriptions I get. So I have one for Heaven Panty, and then I have one that's just for all panty subscriptions I've had. So check that out if you want to see. Ooh, and it looks like it's scale-up trimmed. This is so cute. Okay, I'm super excited about this one, you guys. This might be my favorite in a while. So leopard print, and this is nylon, so it's really smooth. This is like the perfect type to wear under things. If you don't want your underwear line to show. It has this cute bow in the front, and then like you can see it's kind of scale up there. Oh my god, super cute. So yeah, this is like a no-show, like laser cut type nylon panty. Oh my god, it's so cute. This might be my favorite. Oh my god. And if you were wondering, it does have like a cotton gusset. I think that's such a funny word, the gusset. And so this is like my favorite type of thong, especially because it's like stretchy and comfy, super cute. Oh my god, I love this. This might be my new favorite. This is just this type of style I like because it's comfy and sexy. What do they call it? They're comfy. Is that what they call it too? I don't think they use the word sexy. Comfy and seamless. So seamless meaning like that's why it's great to wear under like clothes, you know, that you don't want if you don't want the line showing, like fitted stuff. So cute. I'm so happy with this. Let me know your thoughts down below. And the print is so fun. I think I started saying this earlier, but I forgot. I was telling you about my playlist. So you can see the past panties I've gotten. A lot of them are like solid color and like a little lacy. A lot of like cheeky ones. Yeah, definitely check it out if you want to see like what they offer. And you can also look in their website in the shop to get an idea of what they offer. So on here it talks about their referral program I was talking about. You can give your friends $20, get $20 back. And also if you like referrals, I was talking about that, but if you review them like on their website, or if you post a picture on Instagram or Facebook, you get some credit too. They give you care instructions, sizing instructions, all of that, and you can update your profile at any time. I'm super happy with this. It's so cute. So again, let me know your thoughts. Do you like my panty? Are we panty twins? Link down below, like I said. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and FYI, on Monday, we should be opening a brand new subscription to our channel. I was going to open it today, but I'm waiting to hear back. They have a $15 off coupon to share with you guys, so I wanted to wait until we got that. So stay tuned for Monday. New box. Can't wait. I will see you then. Have an amazing weekend or amazing day or night, whatever time and whatever day it is for you. I love you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Bye.